Hi, my name's Tom. I'm here to tell you all about the Max 6 2-in-1 automatic card shuffler and dealer. I've been playing with it for a little while now. It's a really clever little device. Let me go ahead and show you what you get. First things first, here's the actual device itself. Mine happens to be black, comes in black or white. You can see it's got a little control screen on the front. It can turn on and off with this. It is rechargeable. It does come with a little USB cable, not a charging block. It's a little USB-C there and a regular USB. Just plug it into any charging block. Go ahead and charge it up. When I got it out of the box, it was already charged and ready to go. I've been playing with it for about an hour now, and it's fine. So it's got plenty of juice in it when it comes to you. You also will get a little instruction manual. It's a little pamphlet. There's a lot of little instructions to go through. The text is a little bit small, but it is readable. It takes some playing around with, but once you kind of play around with it and go through some of the menu settings on here, you do quickly figure out how the whole thing works, and it's really pretty clever. And you also get 4 little remote pucks. Now, what these things are is they're remotes for, if you don't know if you can see this, but each has a little number on it, 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. You can press the button and it will actually deal you a card. So this is automatically shuffles the cards, and then you can have them deal the cards as well, depending upon how you've set up the game. I have some Uno cards here. I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to go ahead and do a quick shuffle. I'm going to turn it on with this button right here. Turns it on. Now, I can go through here, I can go ahead and choose what kind of dealing I want, but I don't want to do any dealing. What I want to do is I just want to shuffle. So I'm going to go ahead and take half the deck, put it on this side. I'm going to take half the deck, put it on this side. And I'm going to flip it around just so you can kind of see what happens here. And on top, I'm going to hit a little pause button, that's for shuffle. It's shuffling the cards, pulling them in from both sides, and there we go. And now if I want to, I can go ahead and just take that deck out, and I'm ready to go. I'm ready to play. However, because it's an automatic dealer as well, I'm going to go ahead and do something a little more special. There's a lot of cool things you can do with this. The instructions will walk you through a dozen different scenarios. I'm going to go ahead and go through the original settings here. And I'm going to go right here to settings, gameplay, or remote pairing. My remotes are already paired. So I'm going to go down to gameplay. And you can see this little menu is just like navigating a printer that you might have. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the little arrow. It has a bunch of custom games built in. The instruction manual here actually lists the games that it has built in, and you can kind of go through them. It has things like Uno and Rummy. It has things like Texas Hold'em. I think it has Bridge in there and a couple others. Bridge, Blackjack, Crazy Eights. It has some games automatically built in. I'm going to go ahead and go down to Uno, and I'm going to select it. And it says, how many players do you have? Well, let's say I only have 2 players. There we go. And I'm ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this off to the side. I'm going to put my cards back in here. All right, and go back out. And I'm going to go ahead and hit shuffle. And it's going to go ahead and shuffle. And then I hit play. And it is now shuffling. The default would be to have 2 players here, 1 on each side of the machine, across the table from each other. It automatically knows to go ahead and shuffle 7 cards for each person, and it gave me 1 card here to place on top of the deck. So there we go, that's the top deck. Now, as I'm playing my cards, here's my Uno cards here. As I'm playing cards, I put one on top, I put one on top, I put one on top. Okay, now, let's see here. Where's my 1 and 2s? 2 and my 1. Okay, this is player 1, this is player 2 on the side here. Now, if I go ahead and say, okay, player 1, he's got to deal, I got to deal a card. I got to draw a card. There we go, I draw a card. Maybe I got to draw 2. There we go, I draw 2 cards. Maybe I got to draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just draw your cards just like that. Because it's an automatic dealer, it kicks the cards out for you. You don't have to have a deck. You don't need to worry about the deck falling over. You don't need to worry about messing up, going back and forth. Maybe you accidentally drew a card, you don't want to put it back in, whatever you want to do. If you take cards from the stack, you can put them, go ahead, put them on the side like this, and you can shuffle. Whoops, put them back in there. And they go right back in, then they're shuffled and they're back into the deck. And now as you deal, it deals from the bottom, the shuffled cards go on the top. It's that simple. So it really is a nice little machine, really pretty straightforward. You put stuff in here to shuffle it. You can kind of play around it. A lot of cool settings, a lot of cool things in the instructions that will kind of walk you through all the different settings and how to kind of play around. It's really more sophisticated than, so like some of these card games are pretty fancy, and it kind of shows you how to go through them. It's pretty straightforward. It does go back in the box really nicely. There's a little padding in there, so you can just kind of use this box as storage if you want to, because everything fits in there real nice and neat. It's a clever little machine. It is not too heavy. It's only a couple pounds. Most of that's probably just gears and batteries, but this is actually a really cool little device. It's fun to go ahead and have it shuffle and deal automatically. You don't have to deal with any of that. You don't have to worry about any of those things, and then have it automatically deal to you is just really cool. There we go. Bump, bump, bump. Really neat. I really enjoy that a lot. It's just kind of a fun device. If you play a lot of card games, this is definitely recommended. Just so you know, I was sent this to go ahead and give you an honest review. I played around with it. It's pretty cool. The instructions are a little bit to kind of go through the first time, but once you start playing around with them and once you kind of get used to all the different settings and kind of see what it can do, it will come natural to you. You'll get stuck. You'll start doing the things that you enjoy doing. You know, different kind of dealings, different kind of remotes, different kind of games. It is pretty straightforward. The instructions will walk you through it. You just got to kind of take your patience and go through it and play around with the settings. Once you figure it out, really easy to use. Again, super easy. Just charge it up and go. No plug, no nothing. This will work on multiple types of card sizes. It actually lists on the side of the box. Standard sizes, let's see here, standard mini cards, 1.75 by 2.5. There's some Mahjong cards, 2.3 by 3.4. Uno cards or standard cards are 2.25 by 3.5. And even some cards called chip cards, they're a little longer up and down, 2.2 by 3.4. Those will all fit in here. I have played around with another smaller deck of cards, and I put it in, and it worked just fine. So yeah, again, this is a pretty cool little device. Once you get past the instructions, once you figure out how to use it, it really is fun to use. It is highly recommended.